Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the fourth tutorial in my course series. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this awesome trail text animation inside of Filmora 13. This animation is very easy to create, so let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay guys, here I use 1920 by 1080 resolution with 60 FPS. So you can use any resolution you like here. Okay, first we need to add a text, so go to the text, and I add the default title to the timeline. Then go to the text settings, and you can customize it you like. So here I type creative, and I use Gotham Ultra font style for this. Okay, then we need to create individual letters, because we need to animate these letters. So I take a copy of this layer, and paste it right here. Then we need to change the color of our main text layer, so you can change the main text color you like. So I change it to this red color. Okay, then select our copied text layer, and I remove the letters except the first letter C. After that, select the letter, and place it on top of the main text layer like this. So if it couldn't be placed correctly, you can zoom in on this preview, by clicking this preview and scrolling the mouse wheel. So after that we need to do the same thing for other letters. So I simply take a copy of this layer, and paste it right here. Then I change this letter to the next letter R. After that I place it on top of the main text layer like this. So then I do the same process for my other letters. Okay, after creating the letters, you can delete or hide your main text layer. So the next step is animating our letters. First you need to find where this animation wants to end. So I select here, like 2 seconds. Then select all these text layers. After that go to the multiple, and create a keyframe on position. So then select your first letter, and go a few seconds backward. Something like 1.24 seconds. Then I bring this letter up like this. After that go again a few seconds backward, and I bring this letter to the left like this. Okay guys, let's see how it looks. So next let's animate our second letter. So I select here on the timeline, then create a keyframe on position, and this time I bring this letter down like this. After that go a few seconds backward, and I bring this to little bit right. After that go again a few seconds backward, and create a keyframe. Then I bring this down like this. Okay guys, here's what it looks like. So guys, you can animate these texts whatever you like, don't need to be the same. So here I animated my all other letters, and here it looks like. So you can see it looks a little bit weird, because we didn't adjust the key graph. So let's see how to do that. So first I select my first letter, and open the keyframe panel. Then select all these position keyframes, and right click, and add the ease out preset to this. Then I add the same thing for my other letters. Okay guys, now our animation looks like this. Also you can get a more great look by adding delays for these animations. So you can do it by randomly dragging these layers. After that you can get this kind of cool animation. Okay, after that we need to add the trail effect to this animation. So first select all these layers, and take a copy by pressing Ctrl+C. Then press Alt+G to convert these to a compound clip. So I named it text, and hit OK. After that it appears our main text layer, so we need to hide that. So simply go inside of our compound clip, then you can hide or delete this main text layer. Then go back to the main timeline, and paste our copied text layers right here. Okay, then delete this main text layer. We don't need that. Then select all these layers, and change them to a compound clip. So I named it trail, and hit OK. Okay, now we have our trail layer and text layer. Then I drag my text layer to the 7th layer, and hide this layer for now. Okay, then we need to create our trail effect, so I simply take a copy of this layer, and paste 5 times like this. After that go to Start, and I drag these layers frame by frame like this. Okay, now our trail effect looks like this. Also we can add colors for our trail effect, so go to the stock media, and select gradient color, then you can select any gradient color you want. So I select this one, and add it to the timeline. After that go to the compositing, and change the blend mode to darken. Okay guys, now our trail effect looks like this. So then we can unhide our text layer. And here we have our complete trail text animation. So guys, this is the normal version of our trail text animation. Also we can change this animation to a shutter version. So I will show you how to do that. So first we need to add an adjustment layer to add our effect. So I add it like this. Okay, then go to the Effects tab, select New Blue FX, select Filters, then select this frame rate effect, and add it to this adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects settings, and change the preset to Low FPS preset you like. So I select this 15 FPS preset, and here's it looks like. So guys, this is the shutter version of this text animation. So if you like the normal version, you can simply hide this adjustment layer to get the normal version. So guys, that's how we can make awesome trail text animation inside of Filmora 13. And you can see it's very easy to create. And also if you need to learn more Filmora tutorials, you can check my Filmora tutorial playlist, or you can visit the Filmora Creator Hub to access more awesome tutorials. So you can follow the links below to access the Filmora Creator Hub. So that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. Also please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.